Hi, I'm Gemma from Create Studio. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another no paper hack in your kitchen. And the last time I talked to you, I talked about dish towels. Today I want to talk to you about rags or dish rags for the cleanup jobs that are beyond hand wipes and cleaning, pulling things out of ovens and the other tasks that dish towels do. Rags are for the jobs, the spills on the floor, the stuff in the sink, and any other area where you're doing some cleaning. I like to have kind of a variety. I have some that have soft touch and some that are rough, but all of them can go in the washing machine. And I, again, don't use any paper towels because these do the job for me. And I find them to be just a lot more practical than using 3 or 4 or even 5 paper towels for a job when I can use one of these for a job. So by using rags, and you can be like my grandmother and use pieces of old t-shirt as some of your cleaning rags. And I have these little cloths from Trader Joe's. I like to cut my rags into smaller pieces so they, rather than one big rag kind of slopping around a mess, I'm dealing with something in a smaller size. It's compact, it's easy to rinse, so it ends up feeling kind of in the spirit of a sponge. So another no paper hack for your kitchen is rags, and you can keep them handy in the kitchen. I have mine right next to the dish towels in the drawer, and I rinse them out in the sink, and then they go in the wash with the dish towels. So try this one out, and I think you will ultimately love being paper free. Have a great day.